Hey guys, and welcome! If you're new here, my name is Christina. If you're not new here, my name is still Christina, but it's really great to have you back. Today's movie is going to be Netflix's sequel? Reboot? I'm not really sure what it is. So, Leatherface has returned. And while I personally don't go out roaming places in literally the middle of nowhere, I do like to be safe. So I have my handy dandy chainsaw with me. We all carry those around, don't we? For protection? No? It's just me? If that son of a bitch wants to come for me, come at me, bro. Because if anybody is gonna be wearing my face, it's gonna be me.
It's gonna be me.
Because you don't mess with a New Yorker, okay? You just don't. Because we have chainsaws. But before I start my video, as always, I do want to say thank you to everybody who watches this video. I really do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch it. It really does mean a lot, and I really do appreciate you. Today's movie is going to be Netflix's Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So, without further ado, let's get into the movie. Action. Let's do this!
In the summer of 1973, a few miles outside of Austin, Texas, 5 youths were attacked in a grisly and gruesome fashion by an unidentified madman. The shocking murders were committed with a variety of tools, including hammers, meat hooks, and most disturbingly, a chainsaw. Of the 5 young victims, only one survived. Sally Hardesty.
$18.99, unless I can interest you in a shirt or two.
It's so disturbing when something so traumatic and tragic happens somewhere and people profit the hell off of it. So many people died, and they're selling freaking Texas chainsaw t-shirts and little novelty gifts. Like, that's so fucked up. I mean, like, yeah, America, capitalism, you know, like, profit on horrific events.
Whatever happened to her?
She became a ranger here in Texas.
Look at this guy. Who has such a small dick they need to walk around in public with a fucking gun?
Bitch, you're in Texas. Everyone has a gun.
Harlow is a ghost town.
Yes, but we have a vision for this place. All it needs is young blood. People like us, tired of the big city, looking for a fresh start.
So you guys are what, like a cult?
A cult.
We're idealistic individuals who want to build a better world.
Yeah, that's a cult.
I like this guy. All he cares about is doing his work and getting paid. He's not judgmental. Shit, he's not even racist.
Are you serious?
Newsflash, we're in deep Texas.
I don't care.
These people don't know that they're in the middle of fucking Texas.
Mel, help me.
What are you doing in our house?
Oh, you're the new neighbors, aren't you?
The bank, reclaimed this property months ago.
I've got a title that says otherwise. I've taken care of many boys like you over the years. I don't have a problem with Negroes.
No, she just didn't.
I'm not going anywhere. This is our house.
Well, hello, Leatherface. Crazy motherfucker.
I need to call an ambulance.
We are the ambulance.
It's all right, it's her boy. Please just make sure she's all right. Thank you.
And hold on a second. If this is supposed to be a sequel, this Leatherface is way too young to be the original Leatherface. Like, this guy look like he's like 40, 30, late 30s. Original Texas Chainsaw came out in the 70s, and say he was 20, he'd be like 70 years old right now. Netflix, what are you doing?
He's a good boy. I taught you to be.
Oh, ew.
Ever shot one before?
No. Been shot at.
What? Oh, no. I don't even know what to say about that. That's... shit. They brought a school shooting to this movie?
My friends were the special ones. Not me.
My heart goes out to anyone who's ever experienced that, and the families of survivors, and unfortunately the ones who didn't make it. Not something I thought I would be talking about in this movie, but damn. Yeah, you're hurt, probably hit your head, all that jazz. But if you were to get out of the car and fucking jet it, there's no way that 250-pound dude is gonna be able to keep up with you. He's just a regular guy who's a psycho. You could escape if you tried. Is he cutting his mother's face off? Alright, if you're not gonna run, just play the fuck dead, okay? Just play fucking dead. And he'll probably just leave you alone if you play dead. Really, lady? The lock unlock, you can see it. It's the pull and push down. Pull up, unlock it, push down to lock it. Should have played dead. Looks like, she did have the deed. Oh, I spy a big butcher knife missing. That's sad. But I will not have sympathy for a serial killer. Yeah, just a little blush.
Hey, man. You okay?
No, I don't think he is okay.
Call the cops. You hear me? Keep everyone on the bus.
Oh. He got his chainsaw. Tell me that thing still has gas in it. That chainsaw is old as fuck. Oh. Leg injuries. It's a personal PTSD issue with me. Jesus Christ, dude. This guy never did anything to you. Why is she going to the spot of the accident where she already knows that he was there and already took a face? Like, clearly everyone's dead. Lady, like, go to the town. I'll give it to her. She's pretty smart with how she's trying to get down the stairs without him really hearing her. Oh, hello. What the fuck did... I got you. I will protect you. Yeah, cut through the boards. I hope your fucking house falls right on top of you, bro.
What the fuck is happening?
Close the door, close the door. No, you're just gonna back up. Okay. Oh, okay. So he's just in there now. Alright. Everybody on that bus is dead.
D-E-D. Dead.
They pull out their phones. Oh my god.
Try anything and you cancel, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Do they not have an emergency exit door like in the back? Ooh. Holy shit. Oh, that's fucking nasty. No. Oh, God.
It's him, isn't it? Leatherface. 50 years I've been waiting for this night. Just to see him again.
Hold on a second. Instead of chasing the two girls that are left alive, he went back into his house. And so they could have really easily gotten away. They... Shoot him!
Say my name.
Say my name, say my name.
Say you know what you did to my friends. You don't remember me.
He can't remember you because he's not the original Leatherface, clearly. If you're saying this is 50 years ago, not him. That is not him. Secondly, he was like, I want nothing to do with you. So, I'm just gonna walk out and go kill those two girls. Have a nice day.
I'm the one who got away, and I'm here to make sure you don't.
What a little bitch. He's running away. Oh my god, he's such a little bitch. He ran away. He ran away. This man has a chainsaw and he's running away. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh. She can't. Oh. hit me. I'm gonna throw my chainsaw at you and then run. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Ugh. It's funny.
Don't run. He'll never stop haunting you.
How is she not dead?
If you run.
This is not Michael Myers. This is not Freddy. This is not Jason. This is a regular man who has been shot like 3 times. You know, just not phasing him at all. The fuck is there like a big ass pool in the middle of this abandoned building? Oh! Oh. That sister came back and was like, come on. He's not dead. Like, why would you believe he was dead?
Let's go home.
Autopilot engaged.
Fuck Harlow.
Autopilot. Just drive! Get the fuck out of there!
I'll move here with you. Fuck off.
Oh. Okay. Movie over. Where to start? Where to start? Where to start with this Texas Chainsaw Massacre? I thought it had a good runtime. I'll say that. It was, what, hour 15? No filler, no bullshit, just straight up movie. I didn't find the characters very likable. The ending was such bullshit. Oh yeah, we just survived like a serial killer with a chainsaw. Let's put the car on autopilot where it drives like 3 miles an hour instead of fucking putting pedal to the metal and fucking zooming the fuck out of this fucking place. Like, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. If I was ever in a situation like this and I somehow survived, I would never, ever assume that whatever psycho is dead. And I would get out of there as quickly as possible. Because I ain't got time to just sit around and be like, oh, yeah, everything's fine now. No, everything's not fine. And you need to zoom the fuck out of this fucking weird-ass dead town. The acting wasn't terrible. Wasn't the best acting, but it also wasn't the worst acting. This is not the original Leatherface. Like, they brought in the survivor from the first original movie. You're acting as if this is a, like, direct sequel to the original when it's not. It wasn't great, but it wasn't absolute dog shit. The whole school shooting storyline was sad, obviously, because that's what happens in real life, but I don't know why they had to put that as that character's story arc. It felt unnecessary and misplaced. Could have done without it. So, with that said, that's a wrap. And I will see you guys in the next one.